Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your fidget mochi. So let's show you this. I have my pig. Her name is Chloe. She's cyan. And as you see all the dirt and must on her. So I've got to get her clean because I haven't played with her for years because I don't really play with my mochi. Sometimes I just let my friends touch them, but I don't usually play with it. So I'm going to be washing her. She's really dirty, so let's go. Let's go and let's watch it. So we're in the bathroom. What you want to do is get some hot or cold, it doesn't matter. Just let that sit there for a little bit. Make sure it's really warm. It can be cold or warm, but I like my water warm when I wash my pets, so it doesn't just stay on there, so it can actually get off the dirt. So look, if you want to do this my way. I take with water, dab it on there when it's still cold. Just see the water is a little dirty. You can see her now. So I'm gonna get that dirt. And on the bottom of her, you see that dirt? So, okay, that water is pretty warm. All you need is a little puddle, just to soak it. Okay, that should be enough. Now we're just gonna pop it in there. Start and let's just keep mixing. Hold on, guys. Let me roll my sleeve up. I don't want to get it on me. Okay, now, like I said, rub it in there a little bit. Then you're gonna take any kind of soap, but I like to use this one because it smells good and it's really good to use. So you can get that one or you can use your regular soap. Put a few little squirts in there with the mochi. And I can put it right here because I only got a little more water. So put how much you want, about like five squirts or three squirts. Then you mix it and squeeze it around and stuff so it can dry the dirt off of it. And when it's done with that, you just let's wait for about 3 or 5 minutes. And yeah, it should be clean. Let's just let it soak. Put some more water in it. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it around a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna get a paper towel or any towel or a little rag. Take it and then we'll just lay it here when you get done. Just go wait for 5 minutes in your room or anywhere. You can cook, you can do anything. Just for about 10 or 5 minutes. It'll be nice and warm and soaked. So let's go. Okay guys, it had been soaking and I've been playing games on my phone and my tablet. So let's go in and check on it. It looks like it got a little crispy. So now we're just gonna rub it in a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on motioning it. Like this, you're just gonna keep on scrubbing it in the water. About 5 minutes again, or 3. Just keep on scrubbing it, get all the dirt off. After you've done that, drain the dirt out and all the water excess. Fill up bubbles and see how clean it is. Nice and shiny, you don't see any dirt on it. So, yeah. And then just set it down, and if you have any soap, just apply that. Apply the soap. Now apply some more. Because I can't do it with the camera. You got a little dirt on it, but like I said, apply some soap. It doesn't matter if it gets on the counter, you can wipe it up afterward. Push it in with the dirt. Put some more water in the sink. Make sure the water does not have no soap in it this time, okay? No soap in it this time. Get it off. Drop your mochi in there. And mochi it. Then after you have soaked it enough that you feel like it should be done, take it, put it on a paper towel, put it on a rag, put it on a towel, okay? And just keep on squeezing it in the paper towel and dry it. Make sure it's really dry. You can see it. Okay, now that you think it's dry enough, mine is pretty dry. Like really, like literally gonna stick on there. So now that it's dry and shiny, just dip it back in the water, dry it again, put it over here, get some more soap on it, push it, screen it. This time, dip it once, take it out, dry it, make sure it's still got soap on it, dry it. This might be hard, so just pause and then take the steps. Okay. Now that it's dry and it might got a little bit of soap on it, that's fine. Take it in your room on a dry surface everywhere. I'm gonna dry my hands and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got my mochi and my paper towel. Let's just go out the room. Okay, let's go in my room. I might do a room tour. Just stay tuned for that. But anyways, it's my mochi. Move. Anyways, this is my mochi. So what you want to do? I'm gonna cut my light on so y'all can see. Okay. Anyways, now let's get back to the verses. As you see my mochi, you can concentrate on no dirt. Last time it was really dirty. So what you want to do is you want to grab any kind of spray. Grab a kind of spray, and what I am using is my favorite spray from Body Works. Can y'all focus? There, that's what I like. I use mostly all this for all my fidgets to clean them. If you want to see how to clean a Pop It rainbow noodle, just do that. But actually grab it and take it and you apply the spray. Apply any kind of spray on it. Make sure it's really soaked in that spray. And then after you got the spray, oh, it's really slippery. You can see all the spray. See, my hands are really wet with dirt and spray. Just moisturize that in there and then just set it on the dry purpose. And then follow me to my lotion sprays and all my collections. This is where I keep This is where I keep all my lotion sprays, collection, some of my headbands, my big bottle of money. But which one should I use? I'm gonna use this one. Let me smell it first. I'm gonna try this one, because that one is empty. This one, let's smell it. Perfect. Now let's go. Now take it and go on, not on your bed, on a counter or something. Apply the lotion, about 1 and 2 drops of lotion, and just smush it all together. Take that lotion, smush it all together. It's really slippery, so be careful not to drop it because it'll get it dirty again. Okay. Now that we got that, go back in the bathroom. Take your mochi and just set it on the countertop. Push it down. Apply some water. a little bit. Mush that in there. These are really good steps. So we'll do it. So that my mochi's all clean and beautiful. I don't know if y'all can smell that because y'all on the camera, but still, that smells so good. I'm gonna name her. Her name is Chloe, but I might name her Cinnamon. Okay, Cinnamon, let's go. I'm going to dry her on the paper towel again, and dry my hands as well. So this takes a lot of steps, so please pause and repeat the steps over and over again. Like I did. So now my mochi is completely clean at the bottom, at the top, and on the face, and on the bottom. So yeah, if you want to see more fidget cleaning videos, just subscribe and follow me and hit that bell. Bye.